Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Adithya. Today I am explaining about the Python assignment to develop a Python based inventory management system. Our group members are Jaikishan and myself. Next, introduction. In today's fast paced and competitive business environment, effective inventory management plans a crucial role in maintaining operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. Managing inventory manual is time consuming, error prone, and often leads to inconsistent data and stock discrepancy. To address these challenges, this project presents the design and develop of a Python based inventory management system aimed to small to medium sized business. The primary goal of this project is to provide simple yet functional system that allow user to add, update, delete, search and display product information including product name, category, price and stock quantity. Next, problem statement. The inventory management is a fundamental aspect of retail and business operation involving the continuous tracking of the product, quantity, prices, and the category. Many small and medium sized business still rely on manual or semi automated methods such as spreadsheets or handwritten logs to manage their inventory. These methods are prone to human error, lack scalability, and make it difficult to maintain data consistency and integrity over the time. The absence of a centralized automated system often leads to several challenges. Inaccurate stock counts resulting in overstocking or stockouts, difficult in updating or retrieving products, inefficient searching and categorization, poor visibility into inventory performance and product availability. Next, I am explaining about the objective of this assignment. The primary objective of this project is to design and implement a Python-based inventory management system that facilitates efficient and accurate handling of the product information. The specific goals of this project are as follows. To develop a dynamic inventory management system that allows user to manage product record including name, category, price, and stock quantity. To implement the core functionalities such as adding new products, updating details, deleting items, displaying the entire inventory, and searching products by the name. To build a user-friendly and interactive command line interface that guides user through available operation with clear prompts and feedback. To handle common edge cases graceful such as attempting to update or delete non-existent products or rendering invalid values or price. By achieving these objectives, the system will serve as a practical solution for basic inventory tracking needs, particularly for small business or individuals seeking a simple and reliable inventory tools. Next is algorithm. The inventory management system follows a structured algorithm to inventory operations effectively. Step 1, start the program. Step 2, initialize an empty dictionary to store product records. Step 3, display the main menu with options like add product, update product, delete, display and inventory and exist. Step 4, prompt the user to enter the choice 1 to 6. Step 5, based on the user's input, perform the following operations. Step 6, look back to step 3 unless the user choose to exit and step 7 is end. Next will be explained by our teammate Jai Kishan.
Hi everyone. So myself Jaikishan. Today I'm going to explain implemented approach. The inventory management system was implemented using modular and functional approach in the Python programming language. The development process focused on designing an inactivate and reliable command line interface while ensuring clean and code data validation and efficient data management. The tools and languages used are Python, because it is very simplicity and readability and helps in building support for dictionary and list. The next is data structure. The dictionary was used as a primary data structure to store inventory records, each product is named as unique key and details. And so here we can add the data of anything. And here you can see the example of a given electronics and price 60,000. Here are the functional decomposition, which includes add product, update products, delete products, display inventory, search products. Here is the input validation, which shows that if anything error has entered, it will show error. That is, price must be in a non-negative float, quantity must be non-negative integer, name and category must be non-empty strings. So next is user interface and user interaction and interface. So this allows to give the menu and so it will give the options so that we can choose any options. Error handling and edge cases. Here you can see there will be no addition of duplicate products or update or delete products can be handled, and here we have minimized the error handling. Testing and verification. Here you can test the output using any compiler like VS Code, etc. The next is justification for data structure selection. So because we have choose data structure because it is fast access and lookup, natural key mapping, and here you can see we have given the product name, easy of update and deletion. We can easily update and delete the any product we want. Reliability and maintainability. We can maintain the data and update the product anytime and easy to read. Scalability and extensibility. We can extend our choices or add our choices like another such as product ID, supplier or expiry date and make it more feature. Built-in methods and versatile. Python dictionary come with built-in tools like keys, values, items, get and pop button that simplify many common operation. This reduces development time and improves code efficiency. The test cases you can see these are all the test cases you can test which will be I am going to explain this in output. So next is the code. So here is the program code inventory management system.py. Here you can see validate product data. Here you will be able to display the product proper with error. Price must be in the number and quantity must be in the enter. Error if any input given false. Here add products. Here you can add the products, and next option is update products. You can here update the products and by anything if you want add products. So the next option is display products. So here after all the updating and adding the products you can display or in the screen by seeing the images and the what we have added. The next is search products. You can search the products anytime you want. If you put another name of products, it will display no matching products found, which is error controlling. And the next is here you can see this is the menu button which includes inventory management, add product, update, display, search, exit, etc. Here we are given the choices. A person can choose any choices up to 1 to 6. So this is the Python code. So next is the output. Here you can see the output in VS Code, any other Python compiler. So here is the 6 options: add product, update product, delete product, display, search and exit. So here we have added a product name laptop and price 60,000, quantity 3. So here it will display a laptop added successfully. The next option is second option. We have updated the products. So we have added the new prices 65,000 and added quantity of 5. So it will be updated successfully. So next is we can delete the products, or we can display the product inventory by entering the choice 4. It will display what we have, what is the name and category and prices of the and quantity of the product we have added. The next is searching a product. By searching a category name as laptop, it will display all the uh, products, and option 6 you can exit from the code. So next is code explanation. This is also same as a first thing. Here inventory class, inventory, like adding the products, like we can add the products or validate products data. The name and category are non-empty. Here name and category should not be empty, so it will display the error in this. So here the third object is add products we have used, and update products which I told earlier, and you can also delete the products anything you want. And you can see the overall items you added. You will use the choice 6 which will display inventory and display all the products search. You can also search the single products also. The main is that the this is the interactive loop that display a menu with options, waits for user inputs, based on input calls the corresponding function, runs in loop until the user chooses to end. So this is the our product Python code which proper functions and error prone, which can be reduced, and only user can input proper information. So the conclusion of this is that the inventory management system developed using Python successfully meets the core objective of our product. So here you can see we have successfully created our project by adding the functions like add, search, delete, and exit products. The object oriented of this is main is to easy to understand the Python using the dynamic and the reliability input validation and error handling has been thoroughly incorporated to prevent data corruption. This project demonstrates how Python can use to practical and real-world application. It not only strengthens understanding but also guides us to how to use and make the projects in the real world and use in the real world example. So thank you everyone. This is our project.